How to make professional 3D logo animation in After Effects without plugins. We create a new composition. We import the PNG logo. We lock the logo layer. We select Pen tool and make the fill color red. And then we start drawing the shape. After drawing the first shape, we draw the second shape. I will speed up this part a little. While drawing the shape, be careful not to draw the shapes on the same layer. Click the space once and then continue drawing again. The drawing is complete. We do not need the image anymore, so we delete it. Let's change the color of the composition and make it black. We activate the 3D feature of all layers. We open the geometry settings of the first layer. We set the bevel style to angular and the extrusion depth value to 80. In the same way, we set the geometry settings of the other layers as in the previous layer. Now we create a new camera. If the properties are default like this, there is no problem. We create a new light, select the light type as parallel light. We select the view as top. And we adjust the light like this. We copy one of the lights and place it on the other side. We also adjust the place where the light will hit like this. We change the view to default again. Now we import the image that we will use as the environment. And we create a new composition from it. We go back to the previous composition and add the composition we just created here, and adjust its size. We right-click on the composition and select the environment layer. We select the shape layers and set the fill colors to white. Now we open the material settings of the first shape layer. We set the reflection intensity value to 100, the specular shine value to 100, and the specular intensity value to 0. In the same way, we adjust the material settings of the other shape layers as in the previous layer. Now we activate the camera's position and point of interest keyframes. And we adjust its position with the camera tools in this way. We press the C shortcut on the keyboard to navigate between the camera tools. Now we go to the 5th second, let's shorten the working area. And then we adjust the camera position like this. We select the last keyframes and give it easy ease. Finally, we open a new adjustment layer. We add the glow effect from the effects. We select the color channel as alpha channel. We make the glow radius 45, the glow intensity value 0.7. We adjust the color looping like this. We make the A color black. We make the B color dark gray. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and open notifications. If you let me know your thoughts in the comments, I will answer them all one by one. See you in the new videos.